Hey, let me quickly explain how you can charge Sony WF-C710N. So we've got actually only one method, this is the wired method, but in the two different ways. So the first one, I'm actually using this USB-C cable. It's currently connected into my PC, and you can just simply put the cable on the back of the charging case when the both earbuds are inside, and it will actually start charging your device. It's quite obvious. But for sure, you can also use the power adapter from your phone. As you can see in my case, I'm using old adapter from Huawei with a quick charge. And you don't really have to care about wattage. I'm also using the one from the Motorola with 125 watts. It's super powerful charger, but it's not gonna damage my earbuds or the charging case because it's gonna automatically limit power that it comes into this device. So what I mean that you can basically use almost every power adapter and charger, and it looks actually the same for the cable. So that's how we can actually charge both devices.